We are at the corner of Roeland Street and Bergvliet Street in Cape Town, and we're going to take a cruise from here to Bergvliet. On a rainy Thursday morning in Cape Town, just after a weather front came through Cape Town. Philip Casana Drive now. It was known as the Vols Drive. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share the videos, even hit that notification bell, just to encourage us to go out there and explore Cape Town, check out the suburbs, beaches, just take drives around Cape Town and explore this beautiful city. So big and so spread out. One of the fastest growing cities in Africa. And something special about it. Our winter coming early, arriving early in Cape Town. Only April, and we've had a lot of rain and some cold days already. I'm going to take a left just over here. It'll take you back down into Woodstock. We're going to keep on cruising on the M3 and branch off towards Muizenberg. We're coming to the Hospital Hill interchange, Roeland Hospital. On the slopes of Devil's Peak in front of us. Roeland Hospital on the left hand side. And if you take a left here, it'll take you to Rhodes Avenue and towards Mowbray. And here we have Mostard's Mill just on the left hand side. Take the M89, yeah, takes you down to Rosebank or to the UCT. We have the UCT on the right hand side. And we're heading towards the southern suburbs. And the sky looks awesome. With the clouds kind of breaking up, a bit of blue coming through, and the contrasting clouds. And now we're heading towards Newlands. Which is always known for its rain. It's just below Table Mountain. Kind of gets more rain being so close to the mountain. We're gonna keep on rolling and rocking on towards the M3. It takes us to Bergvliet and gives us access to the suburbs off the Blue Route Highway. Okay, so we are approaching Union Avenue as we drop down towards Edinburgh Drive, M63 South. Yeah, we are at the intersection of Union Avenue and Newlands Avenue. And if you take a right here, it'll take you towards Kirstenbosch Gardens. And on our left hand side is Upper Claremont, on the right hand side is Bishop's Court. we are approaching Edinburgh Drive. That takes us to the top of Weinberg Hill. And then we drop down into the southern suburbs. So almost at the top of Weinberg Hill, branch off left down the Travato link, it takes you into Weinberg with Weinberg Park also just on the right hand side, and on the left hand side just below us actually. This will take you to Weinberg Park if you branch off left, and we're going to keep on cruising on the M3 straight now towards Muizenberg until we come to the Ladies Mile turnoff. You can see the Muizenberg Mountains in the background. Dropping down. And that's an awesome view. Looking across the southern suburbs. Take a left-hand turn here, and it takes you to Constantia Main Road, the M41. Either go towards Hut Bay or towards Weinberg and Plumstead. We're going to keep on rolling straight on the M3. Also known as the Blue Route Highway, this section. We're approaching the Kendall Road turnoff. The M38 takes you into Meadow or into Constantia if you go right. The next turnoff is the Ladies Mile, the M39. It takes us into Bergvliet. Branch off left on the M39 towards the Ladies Mile. Ladies Mile intersection. The M39, take a right, takes you down to Bergvliet, take a left to go towards Constantia. And we're going to keep on dropping down Ladies Mile towards Bergvliet. A Midderidge on the left hand side, Bush on our right hand side. The Bergvliet Road Circle. Bergvliet High School. Just on our left here. Sweet Valley on the right hand side. As we're going to keep on rolling down Ladies Mile into Bergvliet. And here we are in Bergvliet. The Glen Alpine on the right hand side. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and even hit that notification bell. Let's just go explore Cape Town some more.